Hello friends, today is our lesson number 4 and today we will discuss multiplication of matrices. So let's get started. First of all, I tell you that the two matrices are comfortable for multiplication if the number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second matrix. Means if A and B are two matrices, number of columns of A must be equal to number of columns of B if we want to multiply them, and the product will be denoted by AB. Okay, for example, let A matrix A 1 2 3 0. Its number of column is 2. It has two columns. So and the matrix B 4 1, it has two rows. Means the number of columns is equal to number of rows. Hence we can multiply them. Okay. If the number of columns is not equal to number of rows, then we cannot multiply them. It means if this matrix A if it have only one row, one column, and matrix B have two rows, so we cannot multiply them. In lesson number 3 I have told you that for multiplication, for addition and subtraction, the order must be same, but in multiplication the columns and rows, number of rows must be same. To easily remember them, I may tell you a easy technique. CR means number of column should be equal to number of rows. C is equal to R. You might easily remember it so you can easily remember how the number of columns must be equal to number of rows. C is equal to R. Okay, let's if examples. If A is equal to 1 and 2 and B is equal to 2031, then AB is equal to 1 to 2031. Then we will multiply it. How we will multiply it? And first we will multiply first row with first column, then first row with second column. Okay, so it will become 1 multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by 3, 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 3. We will add them, and then we will multiply first row with first column, second column, after multiplying it with first column. Means 1 multiplied by 0, 1 multiplied by 0 and 2 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, what will become its answer? 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2, 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6, 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. When we will add them, it will become 8 and 2. So the answer is 8, 2. Okay, and next example is if A is equal to 1, 2, 3 minus 3 and B is equal to 1 minus 1, 3, 0, 2. Then how to multiply them? AB will be equal to, first we will multiply first row with first column. So first 1 multiplied by minus 1, then 3 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 3, we will add them. Okay, then first row will be multiplied with second column. First column, then first row and second column. What will become 1 multiplied by 0, 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, 1 multiplied by 0, 3 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, then we will multiply second row with first column, then second row with second column. How? 2 multiplied by minus 1, minus 3 multiplied by 3. Then with second column, 2 multiplied by 0 minus 3 multiplied plus minus 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, hope you are understanding. I will also show you it on rough register, so this will become answer. Now let me show you on my register. So let's suppose A is matrix of 1 2 by 2. It's a 2 by 2 matrix, and B is equal to then what will be A, B? If we can multiply them as number of columns is equal to number of rows. Then first we will multiply first row with first column. So what will 1 multiply by 3, then 2 multiply by 1, first row first column, plus 2 multiply by 1. Don't forget to put plus between them. We have to plus after multiplying it. Plus 2 multiply by 1. Okay, 1 multiply by 3, 2 plus 2 multiply by 1. Then we will multiply first row with second column. 1 multiply by 2 plus 2 multiply by 1. Okay. Then we will multiply second row with first column and second row with second column. Second row multiply by first column of matrix B. 4 multiply by 3 plus 5 multiply by 1. Then 4 multiply by 2, 4 multiply by 2, second row multiply by second column, plus 5 multiply by 1. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 1 multiply by 3 is equal to 3, plus 2 multiply by 1 is equal to 2, then 1 multiply by 2 is equal to 2, plus 2 multiply by 1 is equal to 2, 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12, plus 5 ones are 5, then 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8, plus 5 ones are 5. Okay, so further calculate it. So the answer will come 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 12 plus 5 is equal to 17, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So this will become answer A. So hope you would have understood how to multiply two matrices. Now let's move further. Okay, what is associative law under multiplication? Okay, we have learned associative law under addition in lesson number 3. So now what is associative law under multiplication? Same like in addition, associative law is A multiplied by B multiplied by C is equal to A multiplied by B multiplied by C in bracket. First on left hand side, first we multiply A and B, then multiply it with C, and on right hand side first we multiply B and C, then multiply it with A. Okay, for example, if A is equal to this matrix and B is equal to this matrix and C is equal to this, then what is associative law under multiplication? Then left hand side means AB and AB multiplied by C is A matrix multiplied by B matrix. First we will multiply A and B. then multiply it with C. We multiply with first we will multiply AB. What will come answer? The answer will come this 950 minus 1. Then we will multiply it with matrix C. Okay, what will come answer if we will multiply this AB multiplied by C, matrix C? The answer will come 13, 18, 1, 0. Okay, so this is the left hand side, answer of left hand side. Right hand side, A multiplied by B multiplied by C, BC. So first we will multiply B and C. What will be answer of BC? The answer will come minus 1, 0, 5 and 6. Okay, we multiply both matrix, this answer comes. Then we will multiply it with A. Don't forget, in addition we can write matrices, we can change position of matrices. Means if we are writing matrix 1, matrix A plus this matrix, we can also write it like this, 2 plus 1. No, answer will come same. But in multiplication, the answer changes if you change the position. Means if I write this matrix here and this matrix here, the answer will not come same. Answer will be changed. So first write matrix A as in formula, then write matrix BC. Okay, so if we multiply them both, the answer will come this, which is equal to answer of left hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, so it is equal to AB plus AB multiplied by C. So associative law is verified. Okay, let's move onwards. Distributive laws of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Let A, B and C three matrices, then distributive law of multiplication over addition are given below, over addition and subtraction. Okay, first means distributive law. You know what is distributive law? Distributive law is like this: A multiplied by B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. So this is left distributive law in matrices, and this is right distributive law. In it, A plus B multiplied by C is equal to AC plus BC. Okay, so this is in it is verified. If you want to verify it, same like in addition. If there is minus here, means A multiplied by B minus C. So the distributive law will be same, meaning AB minus AC. So distributive law can be verified. So now let's move on towards commutative law of multiplication of matrices. What is commutative law of multiplication of matrices? In lesson number 3 we have learned I have explained commutative law of addition, that A plus B is equal to B plus A. But in multiplication, commutative law of multiplication does not hold in general. Means if A and B are two matrices, if we multiply them, means A multiplied by B, so it will not be equal to B multiplied by A. Means A multiplied by B is not equal to B multiplied by A. As I have told a few moments before, that if we change the position, of the matrices, the answer will not come same. Here example is also shown. This is matrix A, this is matrix B. AB is equal to 0 1, 0 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 0, 2 multiplied by 1, 0 multiplied by 0, 1 multiplied by minus 2. Okay, so after calculation the answer will come this 0 minus 2, 2 minus 6. So what is then if we multiply B multiplied by A, so answer will not come same. Answer will come 1 0 1 minus 4 and minus 6. Okay, so AB is not equal to B multiplied by A. Commutative law under multiplication in matrix does not hold in general. If A and B are two matrices, then AB will not be equal to B and A. Okay, what is multiplicative identity of a matrix? If A is a matrix, another matrix B is called identity matrix. Identity matrix of A under multiplication. If AB is equal to A multiplied by B is equal to A is equal to B multiplied by A. Okay, if A is equal to 1 2 0 minus 3, then B and B is equal to 1 0 0 1, then AB is this, means these two, if we multiply these two matrices, if answer comes the same of matrix A, it will be called the matrix B will be called multiplicative identity of matrix. In lesson number 3 I have told you about additive identity. Means if we add two matrices, if the answer comes the same as matrix A, it will be called additive identity. And what is multiplicative identity? In multiplicative identity, if you multiply two matrices, if the answer comes same to the matrix A, so it will be called multiplicative identity. The identity matrix, unit matrix, means the which diagonal entries are 1. I have told in lesson number 2, you can watch it on my channel, that identity matrix have diagonal entries 1 and non-diagonal entries 0. It is identity matrix is multiplicative identity of every matrix. Means if you multiply identity matrix with any matrix, the answer will come the same of the matrix we multiply it with. In this example you can see that if you multiply identity matrix with the matrix, the answer will come same. Okay, so verification of A B transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Here we are going to verify that A B whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Means if we first multiply A and B, two matrices, then take the transpose of the answer matrix, it will be equal to transpose of B multiplied by transpose of A. Let's show in the example. If A and B are two matrices, A transpose B transpose are their respective transpose, then B transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Example, let this matrix A and this is matrix B. Left hand side A B transpose. First we will multiply A and B, then take their transpose. What is the answer? If you multiply A and B, this will come answer that 0 6 2 0. Then when we will take its transpose, this will come its answer 0 2 6 0. Okay, the right hand side B transpose A transpose. What is first we will take transpose of A matrix. This is A matrix, its transpose will be equal to 2 0 1 minus 1. Then we will take transpose of B matrix. This is B matrix. Then if we will take its transpose, it will be equal to 1 minus 2 3 0. Then we multiply B transpose A transpose. Okay, remember that on right hand side it is A multiplied by B transpose, but on left hand side it is not A transpose multiplied by B transpose, it is B transpose multiplied by A transpose. As I have said you before that if we change the position of two matrices in multiplication, the answer will not come same. So first we will write B transpose matrix and then we will write A transpose matrix, so then the answer will come same. Let's see that this is A transpose and this is B transpose. We multiply them, B transpose multiplied by A transpose, the answer will come this. So it is equal to left hand side 0260. 0260. Okay, thus AB transpose equal to B transpose A transpose, it is verified. So hope you have enjoyed and understood today's lesson. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. In next video I will discuss next topic, multiplicative inverse of matrix. So thanks for watching and please promote my channel by subscribing it and share it to all your friends and family.
Nice video. Now I am leaving. Hey, you haven't subscribed yet? Not now.